Another typical example that you might see is you have a matrix and the question says find the inverse of that matrix. For example, here you have a 2 by 2 matrix, 1, 1, 1 and 0, and we want to find the inverse of this matrix. Basically, you're looking for a 2 by 2 matrix like B, A, B, C, D, such that if you do the multiplication A, B, B, A, the result is equal to matrix I, or identity matrix. So let us begin. Let us find the multiplication of A and B. This is your matrix A, and this is your matrix B with unknown entries. Let's do the multiplication. We are basically taking the first row and multiply that by the second row. By multiplying, it means that we're finding the dot product. So 1 times A plus 1 times C is going to be the very first entry on the multiplication. Then you're going to take 1 times 1 and then multiply by B and D. It gives you 1 times B plus 1 times D, which is basically your second entry. Now, let us move on to the second row. 1 and 0 multiplied by A and C, which is 1 times A plus 0 times C, and then 1 and 0 multiplied by BD, which is 1 times B plus 0 times D. These entries, they all must be equal to the identity matrix entries. So the very first entry, A plus C, must be equals to 1. So as you can see, A plus C must be equals to 1. Then B plus D must be equal to 0. A plus 0 must be equal to 0, or basically A is 0, and then B plus 0 is equal to 1, or B is equal to 1. This is a very simple system of equations. By substituting A into the first equation, you can find C, which is 1. By substituting B into the second equation, you can get D, which is equal to -1. So the inverse of the matrix is 0, 1, 1, and -1. So this is your matrix B, or the inverse of matrix A.